These are stainless steel banding buckles, ear-lock type. They are used to secure stainless steel bands in industrial mounting applications. Here's what an ear-lock buckle looks like without packaging. Its design allows the band to be locked securely after tensioning. Ear-lock buckles are available in different sizes, matched to various widths of stainless steel bands. Always select the correct buckle size for the band you are using. To prepare the band, you will need dedicated stainless steel band cutting shears. These are required for safe and clean cutting during installation. Pull out the required length of stainless steel band from the cardboard dispenser and cut it cleanly using the band cutters. For tensioning and cutting the band, a screw banding tool is used. This tool tightens the band using a screw mechanism and includes a cutting function. To prepare the clamp, insert the stainless steel band through the ear-lock buckle and bend the band back over the buckle. For better shaping and positioning of the band on the buckle, use a hammer to bend the band firmly into place. Place the clamp around the demonstration pole and tighten the band by hand so it holds its position. Insert the free end of the band into the screw banding tool and turn the screw until resistance is felt. Use the cutting lever on the tool to remove the excess length of the band. Fold the remaining band end over the buckle and hammer the buckle ears inward to lock the clamp securely in place. The installation is now complete. The stainless steel band is firmly secured, and the clamp remains stable on the pole. For more industrial installation guides and product tutorials, subscribe to the LOOB channel.